Alright, Nikki, here's that device that I was telling you about to hook onto the door. It's really easy to make. I can even give this one to you, but it kind of depends on the door and the door handle you got, and how big the casing on the door frame is. So here it is, and you can see it's really simple. I mean, really simple. So what you do is you just have this piece, you hook it onto your door, slide it under, let it hit the door stop, and then I've got mine to where it just latches onto the door frame and kind of just hangs, right? So really easy, and you know, if I was really creative, I could make an adjustable one to fit any door, which honestly I could probably make $1 million doing that. But as you can see, no matter how much the dog tries to open the door from the inside, it won't open. Won't open. So really easy to make, and like I said, if you want me to make one for your door, I can, but it's something that can be easily made at home. So there you go. Good luck with Ty. He's a cutie.